To get your house ready to sell, you should do these least expensive things first, and then consult with a real estate agent. Hi, I'm Darius, a realtor in Southern California. Let's take a closer look at these simple but effective strategies to help you sell your home fast. Find an experienced realtor to guide you if you are unsure where to start. You don't want to spend your time and money doing the wrong improvements, or worse yet, expensive renovations that don't offer a good return on investment. Declutter every room and closet in your home so that your space feels bigger and more inviting to prospective home buyers. Deep clean and deodorize your home. The number one turnoff from potential buyers is a dirty, smelly home. This is a simple fix, and when done properly, can make a huge impact on the sale of your home. Depersonalize your space. Remove all photos of your family and put away those trophies from your kids' soccer matches. Buyers want to picture themselves living there, so try to make the space inviting for them. To summarize, cleaning, decluttering, and depersonalizing your home are simple and cost-effective moves to a swift sale. Please remember to always consult with an experienced realtor before undertaking any expensive renovations if you are getting ready to sell your property. Well, that's it in a nutshell. Feel free to hit subscribe if you like this content. Thanks for watching, and be sure to make it a wonderful day.